Imagine an underwater volcano shaking the seabed 1,000 times a day. It's happening now. A deep Pacific undersea volcano is currently generating roughly 1,000 tremors per day, signaling a possible eruption as early as 2025. Scientists are monitoring it closely using advanced seismographic tools. Though mostly submarine, the eruption could impact marine ecosystems. Thermal shifts, underwater ash, and even tsunami potential are on their radar. Smash that subscribe button to stay ahead of Earth's most dramatic secrets.